Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, chances are that you're facing an issue with your Face ID. Maybe it's not working, has been disabled, or you've seen the dreaded message a problem was detected with the TrueDepth camera. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix Face ID issues on your iPhone or iPad. So let's dive right in. First, go to your iPhone settings by opening the Settings app, then navigate to General. From here, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap on it. Tap on Reset, then select Reset All Settings. No need to worry, guys. When you reset all settings on your iPhone, the device restores all settings to their default state without deleting any personal data, apps, or media. It'll just reset Wi-Fi passwords, home screen layouts, and modified settings. All the apps and data will remain the same. After resetting all settings, just clean your front camera and try setting up Face ID again. If that didn't resolve, head over to Settings. Navigate to General. Then, Software Update. Make sure you're running the latest iOS software version. If not, just update it right from here. If the problem still persists, it likely points to a hardware problem. This means that some physical component of your iPhone, such as the TrueDepth camera system used by Face ID, could be damaged or malfunctioning. I recommend booking an appointment with Apple support or visiting your nearest Apple store or authorized service provider for assistance. Apple technicians can diagnose and repair any hardware-related problems with your device. So that's all about it. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.